Hi, everybody. It's Lynn. Today is Tuesday, August 22nd, 2023, and I'm going to make a necklace using this Opalite Point Pendant. We got this in the last GGC Treasures bag. I'm also using these flat rounds in the Opalite, the 6 millimeter, or I don't know if they might be 8, whatever they are. They came in that bag also. From my stash, I pulled some 8 millimeter round opalite and some 4x6 crystal rondelles. Okay, I am using 20 gauge parawire in the tarnish resistant silver plated wire. And I'm going to use some of the chain that came in the GGC Treasures box and a lobster claw and a jump ring. Okay. So I wanted to show you how I'm making the links. I'm just making them using simple links, not wrapped loops this time, or simple loops. Okay, so I take my wire. Now I know about how much wire I need to make a loop. So at that point, I bend it 90 degrees, okay, like that. And then I put it flush with my round nose pliers, okay, like that. And then just roll my wrist towards myself, holding it like so, and close in that loop. And then we have a simple loop. Okay. This next link that we're going to do, I'm using one of these flat rounds. You can see I already have some links made up. One of the crystal rondelles and another one of the flat rounds. Okay. Now here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bend my wire 90 degrees. Okay. And then I'm going to cut my wire to what I know to be about the right length. I'm going to put my round nose pliers flush with the end of that wire and roll my wrist towards myself to close that link down. Okay, like so. Then I'm going to make sure my links are going in the same direction, like that. Okay, and I'm going to move on to the next link. Take that, bend it your 90 degrees, put your round nose pliers flush with the end of the wire, roll towards yourself. And there's our simple loop. Okay, we're going to put the same pattern on this side. Well, okay. And we'll do the same thing. Grab our wire, bend it 90 degrees, cut it to the appropriate length, put your round nose pliers flush with the end of the wire, just like so, and roll towards yourself. And there's your loop. Okay, now to put this together, you do it pretty much like you open a jump ring. Now you can see the links or the loops that I made that are going to attach to our pendant. I purposely made them large because we have a bail to go around. So take your loop with a set of pliers, twist it like so, put your pendant on, and close it back down, just like you would a jump ring. Okay? Now do the same thing on the other side. Open your loop like so. Put the other side of your pendant on it and close it back down. And there we go. Okay, now just put your next link on. Do it the same way. Open your loop, put the link on, and close your loop. Then go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, just like that, and just keep going till you get it done. Okay. This is going to be so summery. Those of you that have been on the channel for a while know how much I love white. White is just, I just love anything white. I just think it's so crisp and clean looking. I love it. I wear a lot of white. Well, this little wire just wants to give me a hard time. There we go. Okay. We got one more link to put on, and then we're going to measure for our chain. See how much length we need there. Okay. One more. Open him up. Put him on and close him down. Alrighty. Now what I do is I lay this out like so to get a length on it. So I have about 6.5 inches right here. I want about an 18-inch necklace. So I need 12 inches of chain. So what I'm going to do is pull my chain out and measure my 12 inches. And cut my chain. Okay. Now, to get both my links the same, I pick up the very last link on each end and then just cut it in the middle. Okay, there we go. And now we're just going to attach that to the rest of our necklace. I'm using this chain because we needed something with links that were big enough to attach to that 20 gauge wire. And because this does have a little bit more open link to it, I thought it would be good. And it's perfect. Okay. Oh, do you see what I did? I didn't get it in the last link. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. Well, I do like to complicate things, y'all. There we go. Let me straighten my link up where I messed it up. Let's try that again. Okay. Oh my goodness. What a mess I made. Grab my round nose pliers so I can fix it. There we go. Okay. See how delicate that's going to be? I just love things that are very delicate like that. I'm going to grab a real small jump ring to put the lobster claw on with, and a big jump ring for the closure. Okay. Grab a lobster claw. I always check the lobster claws because sometimes they get real stiff and you just can't get them open easily, and that's really aggravating. Okay, grab your small jump ring and open him up and put your lobster claw on and put him in the very last link of your chain on one side. Close your jump ring real good. Take your big jump ring and put it on the other side. Close him real good. And our necklace is complete. Something just a little bit different, very, very light and easy to wear. So if you guys are wondering what to do with that pendant, there's an idea for you. Okay, you guys make sure you take good care of yourselves. And remember, I'll see you on the next video, okay? Bye-bye.